Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a quick fix for uneven animations in Blender. Let's say we're animating a camera in our scene and we want it to move smoothly along the x-axis. We add a keyframe at the start of our timeline with the camera at the start position of our animation, then we go to the end of our timeline, move our camera to the end position of our animation, and add another keyframe. Now, when we press play on the timeline, the camera moves, but it moves unevenly. It starts slowly, then speeds up during the middle of the animation, and then slows down again towards the end. So how do we fix this? The issue is that by default, Blender will interpolate the position of the camera between the start and end keyframes using Bezier interpolation. To see this in action, go to the graph editor and you can see how the position changes between keyframes, with a shallower gradient and hence slower movement closer to the start and end positions, otherwise known as easing in and out of the animation. To get smooth, regular movement, we instead want to use linear interpolation. To do this, select both keyframes, either in the timeline or in the graph editor, right-click, hover over interpolation mode, and select linear. Now, the position of our camera changes at a constant rate between keyframes, and our camera moves smoothly from the start to the end. Thanks for watching, and happy rendering.